Welcome, in front of me is DELL Latitude 3520, and in this video I am going to show you how to update and install drivers on this laptop. To install the most essential drivers on your laptop, you have to open Settings, then scroll down to Windows Update section and check for all the updates you have here. Install them by clicking Install next to each one of them and wait until they are downloaded and installed. Or in Advanced Options, go to Optional Updates, find Driver Updates, hit the checkboxes next to each update, click Download and Install, and this way you will install the most essential updates for your PC. Once the downloading and installation are complete, just click Restart Now. And now, to check if you're still lacking any drivers after all the Windows updates, you'll have to download and install the DELL Support Assistant application. So, go to the web browser, open the search engine, for example Google, then search for the DELL Support Assistant and find the official DELL website. Let's go to the US version of the website, but it has to be the dell.com website. Once you enter this website, click Support Assist for home PCs and then click Download Support Assist here, and the installer will download. Click on it to begin the installation. The installation is very simple, you don't have to change or do anything here. And once the application is installed, you'll be able to find it in your Start menu by writing down DELL and opening DELL Support Assist application. Open this application and then select Update Software right here. Click Start and wait until your device checks for updates. Okay, and so the checker found 6 software updates, so let's check them. Now to install these updates, if you want to install only some of them, then hit the checkboxes or uncheck the checkboxes next to the ones you don't want to install. And when you're ready, click Install and wait until they are downloaded and installed on your PC. Everything should be performed automatically. And so once the updates are installed, as you can see, the BIOS update requires a restart. Let's take a look at our essential updates, and as you can see, one of the updates was unable to install, and that's not a problem actually. That only means that it will be only able to install after the restart. So let's restart the PC in order to complete the driver update process. And after your laptop restarts, the installation process will be fully complete. So that's how you update drivers on your DELL Latitude 3520 laptop. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.